In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Green Index Calculator and all its tools. First, download the software for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the program. It might prompt you for an authorization exception to open it. Upon opening, you will see the Green Index Calculator interface. Now, let's open an image to exemplify the program's use. To do this, click the button located in the upper left corner. Once open, the image is displayed in the main part of the interface. You can change the zoom level using your mouse, and restore it using the Reset Zoom button. You can also navigate through the image using the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Now, we will select the region to study. Use the cursor to indicate the points that define the area of interest in the image, left-clicking as many times as necessary. Once the points are selected, close the area of interest with a right-click. This area becomes a closed polygon. You can generate multiple polygons, for example, for different leaves or plants. The program will analyze the green index based on these polygons. Pressing the Analyze Green Index button will calculate the green index for every pixel of the active polygon we defined. Here, a series of descriptive statistics is displayed. This includes the average, median, minimum, maximum, and standard deviation of the green index, as well as basic statistical values for the R, G, and B channels. When you close the pop-up window, the program asks if you want to save the results in a text file. This file will save the results for all the polygons you have generated so far. We now have the green index for our samples. Next, we will look at other accessory functions. Using the RGB histogram button, we can visualize the histogram for each component of the RGB color space for the last generated polygon. By pressing the Green Index Histogram button, we can visualize the distribution of green index values for the polygon of interest. If you forgot to save the data, you can save the basic calculation statistics in a text file at any time using the Save Data button. You can then process this data, for example, by importing it into your preferred spreadsheet software. This tool also allows us to visualize the green index value mapped over the area covered by the polygon of interest. To do this, use the Green Index Map button. Keep in mind that if you are comparing plants photographed in different images, it is recommended to include a reference pattern in those images, such as standard color cards, or to match the different samples you want to compare within the same image. This helps to unify the green index scales displayed by the program. Once generated, we save the mapping image. To clear the polygons you have entered, press the Clear button. Finally, when the analysis is complete, exit the program using Exit or by directly closing the window. The analysis results are found in the generated .txt file and the saved mapping image.